Hey everyone, so what is Social Club app? It appears in the top charts of the US App Store suddenly. I'm just curious to see what the app is about. It says your vid-friendly community. Yeah, so you kind of understand what this app is about. This is your community. You decide what to turn it into. Plus, it's vid-friendly. I don't think that this app went to the top charts just because of this, but yeah, also because there is some turmoil in Twitter right now, and people are actively researching for some Twitter alternatives, which app can feel kind of a bit similar to Twitter and yeah, bring some similar vibes. So all kind of apps are now going into the top charts, which are kind of similar to Twitter. So yeah, and also this app is itself, yeah, you can find these niche communities here. So you can share interesting content. It's a true open platform. This is your community. You decide what to turn it into. And also the say it's like vid friendly. So you just open the app, you create your account with like Google, Apple ID. Then you just have your feed. Here you have your profile. You can create posts. There are terms of service, so you can upload photos and videos. Then you can see your activity, similar as on Twitter, comments, mentions, friends, love. Yeah, then there is also DM experience, so you can message someone, so you can send a DM to someone, and then just start the chat, so you can do it. To follow someone, just go to someone's profile or just tap on this green icon and then you can follow. You can turn off post notifications if you don't want to be notified every time. Then you can just add friends like this in the top right part, so you can also do that. So here, yeah, add in friends. Choose from, so do like that. So easy to search friends by username. You can just see search results and then just add people if you want. So yeah, then there is your profile. You have settings in the top right. You can copy profile URL. See all of that. If you're not happy with your privacy or you just want to delete your account, just tap delete account in the bottom. And from here, yeah, if you continue, your profile photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently deleted. This cannot be undone. I'm absolutely sure. So, and then just tap delete me to confirm. So you can do that. Yeah, just edit your profile, change your profile pictures, change your bio. And then you can see posts you liked. So yeah, kind of super similar overview as on Twitter. So you have your Twitter feed, you see how many likes, how many comments, you can share that. Yeah, and then you also have, again, add in friends. So very like minimalistic experience. You can really understand what's going on. Then you just have all the, the discover feed where it's kind of like Instagram. So this app is kind of mix of Instagram and Twitter. And of course, it's like a vid-friendly app. That's like the niche community of this app. But I think it's just getting out of it. Also, it's touching other niches. It's kind of one of the like relaxed alternatives for Twitter in addition to Mastodon. So it's climbing in charts these days. So definitely worth checking out. Maybe your community is using it or something like that. So definitely give it a try if you, yeah, just, searching for some alternative social media apps. But other than that, that's just my overview. Hope you enjoyed it.